What's up guys? This is a new video. Today I am showing something new. Okay? So let's begin the show. Let's go. So this is a rifle. Okay? This is a auto rifle. Okay? This is black color, red color, black color and also red color. Okay? See? This rifle is very nice. Oh my god. It's look like a dangerous rifle. Okay? M4A. This is one of the most dangerous real life rifle. Okay? See? This rifle have red color equipment. Okay, red color. This is a knife. Green color and pink color knife. Green and pink color knife. See, this is very dangerous knife. Also cute and pink color, beautiful knife. Okay. So this is a looks like a dangerous small small sniper. Okay, looks like a this is a red color, black color, yellow color rifle. Okay, this is the trigger. This trigger is nice. Okay, so this is a arrow. Blue color, pink color, green color. Blue, pink, green color arrow. This is also blue color, green color, red color arrow. See? Blue, pink, red. And this is a bow. Okay? Yellow color, pink color, green color, pink color. Okay? And this bow have razor light. Okay? And how it's work? Turn. Okay, turn. Shoot. So this is my video. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Well, love you guys.